Alright, looking at number 30, we've got Na2O plus AlNO3, 3. We'll draw this out, so it'll be Na, Na, and O. That's what Na2O will look like. Al and 3 NO3s will look like this. For charges, we know O is 2 negative because it's in group 6. That's going to be 1 plus and 1 plus to make that balance out. So we've got 2 pluses and two minuses here. NO3 minus from the polyatomic ion sheet, and that's going to be 3 negative, which makes that 3 plus. Now when we're figuring out what's going to join with what, we know the Na will join with the NO3, we know the Al will join with the O, and we know we're just going to take one of everything over to the other side here. 1 Na plus, 1 O2 minus, 1 NO3 negative. So the Na will join with the NO3, so Na plus and NO3 minus. We'll have Al3 plus joining with the O2 minus. Alright, so now we can go ahead and see how that all comes together. So rewriting that would be Na2O plus AlNO3, 3. The Na and NO3 will come together, be NaNO3, and then we've got the Al3 plus and the O2 minus. Now what I need to do is balance those charges out, and it's hard to balance 3 plus and 2 minus. So what I can do is I can say, well, 3 times 2 is 6. So if I make that a total of 6 plus and 6 minus, that could balance out. And for that I'm going to need 2 aluminums and then 3 oxygens. That's how that will balance. Now I'm going to go ahead and balance out the reaction. Well, actually figure out which is a solid first. If I look at this, I see that the Al2O3 is the solid, and this is going to be the aqueous. Again, I won't write aqueous on the aqueous, just write solid on the solid. Alright, so looking at the reaction, I've got 2 sodiums here and 1 here, so I'll put a 2 in front of here. And now I've got 2 NO3s and 3 NO3s, so I'm going to cancel that and maybe look for something else. So what I'll do is I'll balance out the oxygens first. I've got 3 oxygens here and 3 here now, so that's a total of 6 sodiums. Now I need 6 NAs here, that's 6 NO3s, so I'll put a 2 in front of here, and that will balance out the aluminum as well. So now I have 6 NO3s and 2 aluminums. Alright, so that's for part A, that's all balanced. Now what I'm going to do is do part B, and that means I'm going to have to split all these into ions. And we've got 3 Na2Os, so that's going to look like this. So we've got 3 Na2Os, and charges I'll get from up here, -2 on the oxygens, and then 1 plus on the sodiums. And over here I've got 2 AlNO3 and that's going to be 1 Al and 3 NO3s. Each of those has a -1 charge on the NO3s, 3 plus on the aluminums. I've got 6 NaNO3s, and I'll write that out 6 times. And that means I'm going to have to put charges on. Each of those has a -1 on the nitrates and +1 on the sodiums. And as before, the Al2O3 is a solid, so it doesn't split into ions. So counting up everything and figuring out our full ionic equation, we've got 6 Na pluses here. Just count them up. We've got 3 O2 minuses here. we've got 2 aluminums here, and we've got 6 nitrates over here. We've got 6 Na pluses here. We've got 6 nitrates here. And now we've got the Al2O3, which doesn't split up into ions. Alright, so that is the full ionic equation right there. Go ahead and delete this stuff. Copy this. And this will be for part C that I'm doing this. And for part C, you can see that the 6 Na pluses will cancel, the 6 NO3 minuses will cancel, and what we'll be left with is 3 O2 minus plus, whoops, that should have been 2 Al3 plus, I'm sorry about that, 2 Al3 plus gives Al2O3 solid. Alright, so that would be the final equation for the net ionic equation for number 30.